Today we're going to open a pair of the Nerf type little dart guns. Here we are in the dollar store in the toy section. We're looking for a little Nerf type gun, little dart shooters. See what we can find here. Here's toy section. There's something right there. There's one. Oh, look at there. There's a pair of them. I think we'll take that one. Well, we're back from the store. Picked up these little Nerf type guns. It's called Air Warriors Panther. It's a 2-pack. 2 pistols, 1 red, 1 blue, and 6 darts. So I think we'll open them and do a little fire in the darts and see how it goes. Okay, let's let's open this up and see how it works. The old trusty knife. Tape. Okay, we got some hold downs here we got to take off. Holds the gun down. There's your first gun. There's your second gun. Here's your darts. They come off like this. Got some tape in them too. There we go. There's 3 darts. There's 3 more darts. I think we're about ready to fire one of these. There's your gun. Pull this back to cock it. Like that. Put your dart in right there down the barrel. Whoa, pretty good little shot, isn't it? Let's do that again. Let's use the other one now. There's the red one. Cock it, put your dart in. Let's set up something here. Maybe we can hit this. Maybe we can't, but we'll try it. If I can get it to stand up here. Well, we're going to set it up and fire it at some little characters like Legos and stuff. Okay, we've set up our characters here. Got a little stick bot, and a Lego. So let's see if we can hit those guys. What do you say? Okay, we got this one ready to go, so see if we can hit that stick bot. Oh, too high, wasn't it? Well, let's try it again. Cock it, put your dart in. Hit him from the back side, didn't I? Well, let's try the other gun now. Works the same way. Cock it. Put your dart in. Oh, I'm shooting way high, aren't I? Well, I just can't hit these guys, can I? Well, maybe y'all have better luck than I did, but I'm just not a good shot, am I? Okay, well that's how that works. This thing was only like $5 at the dollar store. So go check it out, see what you think. And we'll see you next time.